What happens when man meets nature? Obviously, there will be destruction because that's the trait of a man. Welcome back to an episode where bulldozers play tug-of-war with forests. When you need to clear land on an industrial scale, you don't just need one bulldozer. You need at least two. And also, a chain to make the job easier. Well, we're talking about a technique sometimes called chaining, or tree chaining, where two powerful machines work in unison. These titans of the earth, often modified bulldozers or specialized land clearing tractors, are linked by this giant chain. And with a synchronized pull by their engines, they literally pull down acres of trees. It's like a monstrous game of tug-of-war, but instead of two teams, it's two big machines versus an entire forest. And let's be honest, the forest usually doesn't stand a chance. Now, you might be thinking, isn't that a bit aggressive? Well, when you're talking about preparing land for agriculture, infrastructure, or even managing wildfire risks by creating fire breaks, sometimes you need to go big or go home. And these machines? They definitely didn't go home. This method is incredibly efficient for clearing large, relatively flat areas. The raw power on display here is mind-boggling. Each of these machines can weigh tens of thousands of pounds, and their engines churn out hundreds of horsepower. It's an intense job of destruction. And while it might look like pure chaos, there's a lot of precision involved. The operators need to coordinate perfectly to ensure the chain sweeps through effectively, maximizing the clearing power. So, if you ever find yourself needing to clear an entire forest before lunchtime, you know who to call. Or, more accurately, what kind of machinery to call. But it does make you wonder, doesn't it? As impressive as this technology is, what are the long-term implications of such rapid land clearing? What's the impact on the environment? And how do we balance progress with preservation? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.